Comprehensive smoker for grilling comparison. Pellet smokers have become an indispensable tool for grilling enthusiasts, offering a combination of convenience, versatility, and the ability to infuse food with rich, smoky flavors. Whether you're a weekend griller or a seasoned pitmaster, choosing the right pellet smoker product can dramatically impact the taste and quality of your meals. In this review, we've analyzed 5 top-rated pellet smoker products. List 1. The LizQ Premium Pellet Smoker Tube is a compact and versatile accessory designed to enhance the flavor of your grilled or smoked foods. Its hexagonal shape ensures stability on the grill, while its stainless steel 304 construction offers durability and resistance to corrosion. This smoker tube is compatible with a wide range of wood pellet types, such as cherry, hickory, and apple, allowing users to experiment with different flavors. It produces consistent smoke for up to 5 hours, making it suitable for both hot and cold smoking applications. In practice, the LizQ tube excels in delivering an even and steady smoke output. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller grills or smokers, and it's particularly effective for adding a smoky touch to cheese, nuts, and smaller cuts of meat. However, its limited capacity means it may not be the best choice for extended smoking sessions or large quantities of food. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the stainless steel construction, but users should ensure the tube is thoroughly dried to prevent rusting. List 2. The Camp Chef Competition Blend Barbecue Pellets offer a balanced blend of maple, hickory, and cherry hardwoods, making them a versatile choice for a variety of grilling and smoking applications. These pellets are 100% pure hardwood with no added oils, chemicals, or binders, ensuring a clean and efficient burn. The kiln-dried process results in low moisture content, which contributes to a hotter burn and less ash residue. During testing, these pellets performed exceptionally well in maintaining consistent heat and delivering a mild, balanced, smoky flavor. They are particularly well suited for poultry, pork, and vegetables, though their subtle flavor profile may not be bold enough for those seeking intense smokiness. The affordability of this product makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users, and its compatibility with all pellet grills and smokers adds to its appeal. List number. The Mr. BBQ Wood Smoker Chips Bundle offers a curated selection of 3 distinct flavors: apple, mesquite, and hickory. Each 1.6-pound bag is crafted from 100% natural hardwood, free from chemicals or artificial additives. This variety pack is designed to cater to a wide range of grilling preferences, from the sweet and fruity notes of applewood to the bold smokiness of mesquite. These wood chips deliver excellent flavor infusion, particularly when used with smaller cuts of meat and vegetables. However, their smaller size means they burn quickly, requiring frequent replenishment during longer smoking sessions. While they are versatile and compatible with various grill types, including charcoal and gas grills, users may find them less convenient. List 4. The Royal Oak Charcoal Hardwood Pellets stand out for their ability to deliver authentic barbecue flavor. Made from 100% hardwood charcoal without additives, these pellets are designed for high heat applications and are water resistant, ensuring reliability in various weather conditions. They are compatible with all pellet grills, making them a versatile choice for grilling and smoking enthusiasts. These pellets excel in searing and high-heat grilling, producing an intense smoky flavor that enhances beef and game meats. Their water-resistant properties make them easy to store and handle, but their higher price point and bold flavor may not appeal to all users. Additionally, they produce slightly more ash compared to other options, which could require more frequent. List number. Cuisinart Maple Bourbon Barbecue Smoking Pellets offer a unique flavor profile, crafted for reclaimed liquor barrels and natural wood. This premium blend is designed to pair well with a variety of proteins, delivering a consistent and long-lasting smoke. The 20-pound bag ensures ample supply for multiple grilling sessions. These pellets produce a rich, nuanced flavor that pairs exceptionally well with pork and poultry. The use of liquor barrels adds a distinctive aroma that sets them apart from standard wood pellets. However,
Their premium positioning means they come at a higher cost, and their availability may be limited compared to more widely distributed brands.